So what does Herbalife Formula 1 shake contain? 9 grams of fructose. Is it bad for you? Should you skip the Formula 1 shake and go straight for protein shake, protein powder instead? Let's break it down and get to the truth in today's video. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. This is Jean here from Authentic Energy. I am a Herbalife coach with 10 years of experience, and I'm here to help. Okay, so first, let's talk about why Herbalife Formula 1 shakes are designed the way they are. Okay, these Formula 1 shakes aren't just protein shakes. They're actually meal replacement shakes, which means that they're actually meant to replace an entire meal. They're meant to replace an entire nutritiously balanced meal. Okay, so for a meal to be balanced, to be nutritiously balanced, you actually need 3 key components, which are protein, fats, and carbohydrates. That's right, you heard it right, carbs. Your body, especially your brain, actually needs carbs to function properly. So the 9 grams of fructose in the shakes are actually there to provide your brain with the energy that it needs. Okay, so without the carbs, your brain wouldn't have the fuel it needs for you to stay focused and for you to feel energized throughout the day. All right, so now let's talk about the fructose specifically. Okay, so fructose is a natural sugar found in fruits, honey, and some vegetables. It's often misunderstood because people hear sugar and they immediately think that, oh my God, it's sugar, it's bad. But here's the thing, okay, not all sugars are created equal. Okay, so the 9 grams of fructose in the Herbalife Formula 1 shakes actually come from high quality natural sources. So unlike the refined sugars, which can spike your blood sugar and lead to energy crashes, the fructose actually has a low glycemic index, low GI. Okay, let me know in the comment below how many of you have heard of the concept low GI, okay? And also let me know if it's your first time hearing about the word GI. Okay, so what does it mean? This means that it's basically getting absorbed slowly and providing a steady release of energy without the crash. Okay, so also think about this, right? Your body processes fructose differently. Okay, it's primarily metabolized by the liver, which helps actually maintain a stable blood sugar level. Okay, now some people might think that why not just take protein powder instead? Isn't that enough? Why do I have to do this meal replacement shake? Well, the short answer is no, you can't. Okay, so protein powder alone doesn't really provide the balanced nutrition you need in the meal. Okay, it just provides you, with the protein. Herbalife Formula 1 shakes are carefully formulated to give you a mix of protein, carbs, mineral, and vitamins, everything that your body needs to stay healthy and energized. Now, here's another important point. Please make a note of this. The sugar in the Herbalife Formula 1 shakes actually has a low glycemic index, okay, low GI. I've already mentioned about this before, right? So I want to mention about this again, which means basically foods with a low GI releases sugar into your bloodstream slowly, okay? And this actually prevents your insulin levels from spiking. Okay, this is actually a big deal because, when your insulin spikes, your body is actually more likely to store excess sugar as fat. Okay, so with the Herbalife Formula 1 shakes, the low GI means that your blood sugar stays stable and you don't have to worry about the sugar turning into fat. In fact, I haven't actually found any other food that's low GI and nutritiously complete and also comes in so many different delicious flavors and also convenient. If you look at this, the Formula 1 shakes are really a game changer for anyone looking to stay healthy without sacrificing the taste or convenience. Now, as a Herbalife coach and also as someone that's very passionate about sharing her knowledge with everybody here, I want to make sure that all of you guys are equipped with knowledge, the best knowledge that you need for you to make the best decision, to make the best choice for your health. Herbalife shakes are great. They're a fantastic option if you're looking for a convenient and a nutritiously balanced meal replacement that keeps your energy levels stable and also something that tastes great as well. But also remember, it's not just about the products. It's about creating a lifestyle that works for you, okay, for the long term. And this is actually where I come in. So if you're ready to take control of your health, to boost your energy, to, change your way, to feel better, to feel amazing every day, I'm here to help you make that happen. Whether if you're looking for a personalized nutrition plan, if you're looking for guidance on Herbalife products, or if you simply need a Herbalife coach to cheer you on, to keep you accountable, to motivate you, or to provide a coaching for you, I got your back. Okay, so here's what you can do. Here's what you can do right now. You can click on the link in the description, which basically will take you to a quick wellness evaluation form that you can fill out. And once I receive your form, I can actually create a customized plan for you, a customized Herbalife plan for you that's suitable for your lifestyle and for your body goal. Right. And also, if you guys want to find out more about the products or how to work with me, you can also find out all the details in the description below. And of course, if you guys have any more questions, you can also write them in the comments below, or just reach out to me directly on my Instagram or on my Facebook, or shoot me an email. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And also, I hope this video has clarified quite a few things for you guys. And of course, if there's anything I haven't covered or I haven't been clear about here, also just reach out to me. And of course, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care and bye.